Hello everyone. Just as I told you in the other video, a lot of women doesn't take cheating as anything. You will just see that that woman, a mother, the mother of the home, you are mother to your husband. Because do you know why? What's the work of a mother? That same man have also sucked your breast. You are the man's mother. Sometimes you see that when a man is not behaving or is stubborn, is this. You see that sometimes it is because of the wife. The wife is not showing that man love. With me. My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the location you are watching me from. I don't know but what I want to tell you, that today I want to really tell you, show love to that man so that the man no go buy. Single mothers are not seeing right now they are suffering. Pepe. Single mothers. Things are not right, oh. That's because a lot of women have lost their husband just because of their own mistake. Number one mistake, cheating on the man. Because the man cheat on you. Because that man cheat on you does not mean that you will cheat on him back. You don't cheat on him back. Men, sometimes you see that this cheating, the way they do it, sometimes they don't even know. It's the other woman there that deceived them to cheat on you. Yes. Because some men don't have sense. Some men will not understand. Some men is because he's too caring, too lovely. You want to help this person. The person will come up, I just have this problem. How is your wife? How are your children? He won't even show that man that she's having anything in mind. Before you know it, the man has gone there. Because men are after what they see. How are you dressing? How are you doing? To things that will make that man not when temptation come, there must be temptation that will come in marriage. And when that temptation come, it doesn't mean that because your husband fall into temptation, yourself will go and purposely enter into it. What show that you're a Christian mother? Do you know that in the world today, women serve God more than men? You go to church more than him. You go to Bible study more than him. You study your Bible more than him. You do a lot of things. Yet, no one is being seen. Some women that are watching me too, they are Muslim. You notice that even as a Muslim woman, you are more humble than that man. You behave well. Does it mean that when a man cheats on you, you cheat back? Cheating back is not the problem. A lot of in our relationship today, men going is because the problem of women. Quote me. My people, if I open my mouth and tell you with a young girl that just get married within the space of 3 years, what you want to do to the husband, you will see that this world we are, many women are out to buy their husband. You don't want to be in that marriage. You want to cheat, continue cheating, leave the marriage. When they will say, okay, now I don't want the marriage. You see the woman running up and down. Why are you pretending? Why? Why are you pretending? As a woman, you don't need to pretend. You need to be open. Even when your husband have cheated on you, forgive your husband. Carry your husband. Pet your husband. Love your husband. I know some people will come to this video now and say, hey, why did I say this? I'm saying the truth that is bitter, the truth that is hard to believe. When you go out of that marriage, you may not see another person. Check all those single mothers that are making noise today. They never get another person.